Hi everybody, welcome back to my Fleatale finds. So as I have mentioned, I bought many trays of exquisite jewelry, exquisite vintage jewelry, and I have now gotten to my black crystal onyx tray. So I'm going to start showing you the pieces and describe a little bit about them to you. One of the reasons why black or mourning jewelry became so popular during the Victorian times is that after Prince Albert, Victoria's husband, had passed away, she went into a state of mourning, and jewelry like jet, bog oak, vulcanite, all of these darker gutta percha, all of these darker colored jewelry started becoming very in vogue as women were trying to wear what Queen Victoria was wearing. This is an example of a pin. What would you say this is? Just a glass?
Oh yeah,
art
jet
glass?
Yeah.
Just wonderful.
Goodness.
And then here's another incredible black art glass jet pin. Then let me show, here are some more of the black art glass. Looks like it would probably have been made in the 20s for perhaps a flapper. So I'm going through sort of different time periods here, but I'm just sort of concentrating on the colors of the tray. So here is a wonderful French jet bracelet. Look at how that sparkles. And then this is celluloid with rhinestones, sparkly rhinestones. So this would have been from the 1920s, and women would have worn a whole stack of them. Here's another lovely pair of wonderful crystal, black crystal vintage earrings. Here's an incredible swirling Austrian crystal, black and crystal clear rhinestone pin, probably from the, I would say, 1940s, 1950s. Could you imagine this on like any dress or suit? Then here I'm going back to the 20s. This is Czechoslovakian clear faceted crystal.
Did you show the earrings that kind of almost match in a way? Also Czechoslovakian.
Here they are. Wearing it as a set or wearing it separately. Just incredible artistry.
Black and clear.
A lovely sort of chiaroscuro, dark and light playing off of each other. And then here are a wonderful sparkly pair of
Also Czechoslovakian, very Art Deco.
Just wonderful. And to you, what makes them Art Deco? That they're straight lines, the coloring,
Yeah.
the little tassel sort of at the bottom. Really nice detail. And there's this nice sort of ebony looking wood heart with sparkly crystal. There are these. So these are cut steel, and this was originally a belt buckle. It was taken apart and made into earrings with these incredible faceted stones in the center. Here is another sash pin. I showed some sash pins in a different video, Again, women would wear these around the waist to tie their sashes or across the chest. And the pin stems were usually larger to go through a lot of material. Here is a bakelite pin, cameo, faux cameo. This is pressed, and this is probably celluloid, but this part is bakelite. And then here are two magnificent marcasite pins, set in sterling silver. They sparkle so incredibly. They allowed women of all socioeconomic levels, thank you, an opportunity to wear jewelry that had the look of diamonds. And then here are another great pair of earrings.
Cut steel.
Oh, they're shoe. What do you?
Ornaments.
Okay.
Like shoe buckles.
Right.
There's a name for them.
Right.
I can't remember.
Shoe clips.
Yeah.
And here's another pair of wonderful crystal, black cut crystal and rhinestones. And here is a very interesting sort of deco looking to me necklace. And then here is a really wonderful, is this sterling? Do you know? Did you test it yet?
I believe it is sterling.
Sterling,
I think
and this
it's
is probably
marked somewhere.
Gold.
And onyx.
And onyx underneath.
And it's
and then look at this panel bracelet. So here's the bracelet, and here are the earrings, and there is a necklace that goes with it too, which is, here's the necklace. I mean, just an unbelievable set of jewelry. So this is my black and clear group of jewelry. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you with the next group of jewelry. Bye.